Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes mix from scratch updated. Start by whisking together 4 cups flour, 4 tablespoons baking powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt until uniform. Sifting helps remove clumps and keeps pancakes tender. Transfer the dry mix into a clean airtight jar and label with date. When ready to cook, combine 1 cup mix with 1 egg and 3 4-cup milk and cook on a hot griddle. Warm tip time: keep things gentle for fluffier pancakes. Use cold milk and whisk eggs lightly before adding to the dry mix, then stir until just combined. Small lumps are fine. Overmixing develops gluten and makes pancakes chewy, so stop when ingredients are moistened. Letting batter rest for 1/4 of an hour hydrates the flour and yields better rise and texture when you cook them on a medium-hot griddle. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you see here. It makes timers and music effortless while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Store your homemade pancake mix thoughtfully to save time and reduce waste. Keep dry mix in an airtight container in a cool, dry place and label with the date. For longer storage, freeze measured portions in resealable bags and thaw before use. When ready to cook, use 1 cup of mix with 1 egg and 3 4-cup milk. Adjust thickness with a splash more milk for thinner pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.